Creating a waiting list on Shopify is a useful feature for products that are out of stock. It allows customers to sign up and be notified when the product becomes available again. Here's how to set it up. Use an app. Go to the Shopify App Store and search for waiting list apps such as Back in Stock or Pre-Order Manager. Install the app of your choice and follow the setup instructions. These apps will let you add a waiting list button to your out-of-stock product pages. Set up a waitlist button. Once the app is installed, configure the waiting list feature for products that are currently unavailable. The app will allow you to add a Notify Me or Join Waitlist button to those pages. Customize the form. Customize the form fields to collect the customer's name, email, and product preference. The app will automatically notify customers via email when the product is back in stock. Track waitlist signups. Most waiting list apps provide a dashboard to manage and track signups for each product. Restock notification. When the product becomes available again, the app will send automated emails to all users on the waitlist to notify them.